These are some images of what your workouts are like.
We got a little collage here of me struggling. Here's some pull-ups. I'm engaging my core as well. That might be my least favorite exercise.
My husband hates that.
I'm struggling. Here's a giant just weight. I'm just trying not to knock myself out in the head by hitting myself with. I believe those are called piston squats. Those are very, very difficult.
Those look really painful.
I'm breathing very heavy, about to pass out. These are knee-ups holding what's called a kettlebell. It's like a torture device. This is me. It's like kind of skiing, cross-country skiing.
Was that giant bag, is that like the equivalent of a body bag?
Yeah, so it's this gym I go to. I love it. It's called Rumble, and it's boxing, and that's kind of some of the punching bags you use. I love it. I go every week. It's an incredible workout. One of my favorites.
Where is Rumble here?
They've got multiple locations.
Oh,
the one I go to is here in Chelsea.
city.
It's actually not far from our studio. We can go one day.
I think we should go.
I think we should go.
So we have one of the trainers, Ashley, is here.
So
hey, Ashley, what percentage of the people that go to Rumble are female?
Oh, that's a great question. So we're about 30% male, 70% female.
So are you guys going to show us some of your moves?
Yes, we are.
Of course. So let's get Jessie gloved up.
Gloved up.
So the greatest thing about boxing is I always like to say it's the great equalizer, right? So whether you're a first-time gym goer or you're a professional athlete, everyone can do it. So what we're going to do is we're going to get you guys the 6 moves that we like to use to, no pun intended, knock out your workout. So Jessie's going to get us started here.
All right.
So most important...
She is funny. I like her.
A little alley shuffle before we call this the alley shuffle. Just gonna loosen it up.
Yeah, you gotta, so box, you gotta find that swag a little bit. So you wanna find your boxing stance, which Jessie's in. So with boxing, you wanna step back with your dominant foot. If you're righty, right foot's back. So we're hands up. So we gotta protect that money maker. Hands are up nice and tight. So we have 6 punches. Jessie, our first 2 are?
Jab and a cross.
Good, he's listened in class. So hands are up. First 2 punches, we're aiming for a target. That front hand fully extends. Turn that thumb down like you're pouring a big old cup of coffee, right? You snap it back to that face, protecting your face. Your number 2 is that cross. So backhand, this is where your power comes in. Fully extend, but you're gonna use that hip. So most people think that boxing is all on your shoulders, but it's full body. Strong legs, and we all love nice, strong abs. So let's go through that. So we have a 1 jab, 2 cross. All right, next 2 punches we have...
our hooks.
Yes, so front hook and back hook. Arm comes up on a shelf, thumbs up, nice and strong. Now this is where you use your hips. A lot of people, you don't wanna whale that arm, but you wanna, almost like you're swinging.
Golf club.
Like a golf club, exactly.
I was gonna say that actually looks like a golf swing.
Big front hook, big back hook, number 4. Nice, last 2. So we're gonna drop, I like to say drop and pop for the uppercut.
Drop and pop it, baby.
It helps you think. So hands are up again, always defense. So that front shoulder drops, squeezing those abs, and this is where you use that hip. Pop those knuckles right underneath that back.
Oh, yeah.
So that's our 5.
How long have you been boxing?
I started martial arts when I was 5, so I have a second degree.
Just so everybody knows.
She can literally kick your...
Kick my butt.
I have a second degree black belt in Taekwondo.
My brother's a black belt.
Yes. Yeah. So, all right, you ready to go through those 6?
Let's do it, baby.
All right, so hands are up, nice and light on those toes. All right, here we go, all the way through. We got 1 jab, 2 cross, front hook, back hook, pop the uppers, 5, 6, and 1 defensive move. You have to protect that face. What is it, Jessie?
We got a duck.
Got a duck. So if I throw a big hook, he gets underneath.
Just watch the hair. No, not the hair.